Today we're showing you our 72 Dodge Challenger. It's got some flaws in the paint crack here. Just a average, probably driver quality job that was done a while ago. Color change, the fender tag says it was a gold car. But you can see some of the flaws in there. A couple things right here they touched up. But pretty solid car. I think there's some bubbles right there. Yep. One right there. Interior's in good shape. The dash does have a crack on it, but that tells you it's original. And then they must have painted these door panels, or they're just showing some age. Seats are all in good shape, black vinyl. Doors shut nice. A little bit of a crack right there. So paint showing some age on it, but it's a driver quality car, and I got it priced as a driver quality car. It's good buy on a 340 Challenger, and will look good cruising, going cruise nights and showing shines and stuff. I mean, obviously you want to win a Challenger class in a car show, you better have 6 figures into your build or buy. This is just a good, fun car to drive. So, good and presentable. Go out and have some fun and get some thumbs up, because everybody loves Challengers. 605-695-7391.